Oblar! Oblar! What, Trampu? Today, sleepover at Oblar's house. Yay! Can I invite friends? Yes. One friend. Winko. Okay. Winko is coming over to spend the night. So, make sure you behave this time and don't cause a fake helicopter emergency. Okay? Oblar understands. I'll go get ready. Okay, have fun.
2 hours later.
Okay, I got everything set. Ooh, cool. Oh, that must be Winko. Hey there, Winko here. Oh, hey Winko, come on in. Come on in. Okay. Oh, hi Winko. Hi. Whoa, perfecto. Yep, like we always do. So, it's nice to spend a night at your house. Yes. Too bad Franklin or Periwinkle or all friends from Jack Savish's Sesame Street is not here. Yeah, it's just me. Yeah. What should we do for fun? Winko? No clue. Should we go night exploring at 11 p.m.? Yes, at 11 p.m. would be fine. Great. Actually, tonight, I'm not gonna go night exploring. I'm gonna cause a fake helicopter emergency. I don't care what Trampu says. So I can get in the spotlight field right forever. Just like Uva. What did you say? Nothing. Okay. Alright.
7 hours later.
Oh. It's time to get up. Oh yeah. It's time to go nut exploring. Alrighty. Let's go hunt for night animals like raccoons, moths, and others. Okay, but let me open the door. No, be careful with the alarm! Uh-oh. Everybody alright down there? I heard the alarm. Oblar brought her forever. Stay for 1 hour, please! Okay, is there a problem? Yes! Problem! There's burglars in the house. Ah! This is super scary! Ah! Stay where you are. Yes. Hey, Uva. Spotlight! No, Oblar. I'm the only one who gives him the spotlight and feel brighter for helicopter spotlight! Ah! I'm Trampo! Oh no. Uva is telling helicopter spotlight! That's because Oblar made this fake helicopter emergency. There's no burglars in the house. He's doing that just to get shined by a helicopter spotlight. Really? Yeah, really. You better not let this happen again. Okay, thanks for the trouble. Yeah. You're in big trouble. Uh-oh. Oblar! I can't believe Oblar, Winko, and Uva in Spotlight. During the sleepover, you caused a fake helicopter emergency. You know that's the bad thing to do. You don't cause fake helicopter emergencies. Unless, well, yeah. You only use helicopters, like, for emergencies only. You know helicopter spotlights for emergencies only. We already talked about this back when you misbehaved at the recital. Uva's recital. That's it. Oblar grounded for 298 years. Room. Now. I don't care. I'm brighter forever. One announcement. This video is dedicated to Jack Savlish and Noble Maddox. Jack Savlish and Noble Maddox, if you're watching this, please like, comment, and subscribe. So yeah. Oblar, any words? Yes! Oblar, you, friends, bye. I'm brighter forever. Ah.